Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a little bit different from the regular cooking. I actually made some aloe vera gel in my kitchen, so I decided to come share it with you all. Trust me, this process is going to be very simple and detailed as well, of which you can actually recreate it yourself. So without waste of time, let's get right into it. I actually got some aloe vera from my little garden in my backyard. You mustn't plant some yourself, you can just purchase it in the supermarket. I'll just gently cut off the aloe vera leaf from the stem, then place it into this bowl. Okay, I'll just go ahead and wash the leaves thoroughly to get rid of some dust and dirt. Usually whenever you cut some aloe vera from the stem, you will notice there is this yellowish discharge, more like a latex, and it actually causes some allergic reaction in some people, so we need to actually get those latex out. And to do this, I'll just gently transfer the aloe vera back into this bowl. I'll be standing them upright this way, then I'll be adding some water to it. I'll allow it to sit for 24 hours so the yellowish sap can actually drain out from the aloe vera. Okay guys, this is the next day. Let's see what we have. The yellowish discharge I spoke about, I've actually left the aloe vera and we can actually see it in the water. That's why this water is a little bit yellowish. I'll just give the aloe vera a good rinse one after the other, just to make sure we've removed all the yellowish sap from the aloe vera. Okay, our aloe vera is ready to be used, so let's go make some aloe vera gel, guys. I actually had to pant the aloe vera dry using a kitchen towel. I'm so sorry I did it off camera. So I'll be dividing this aloe vera into two because I'll be making some aloe vera gel and some aloe vera oil as well. To get the aloe vera gel, I'll just gently take off this rough part using a kitchen peeler. You can actually choose to just use a knife to do it. Next, we just cut off these extreme parts. We know that aloe vera have those bitter taste that can actually stick to one's palm for some time. So to prevent it, I actually had to wear some gloves at this moment. So I just cut open the leaf using a knife. You actually need to be very careful with this process. All you just need to do is to go gently and slowly, just the way I'm doing it, and you open yours very easy. You can also choose to use a kitchen peeler for this, just anyone that you're most comfortable with. Next, I'll just scoop out the gel using a spoon into my plate. You can also use a knife, anyone that you're most comfortable with. This is actually very simple. All you just need to do is to use one hand and hold the aloe vera very firm while you use the other hand to scoop out the aloe vera into your plate. And guys, this is the quantity of aloe vera gel we're able to get from about 4 aloe vera leaves. If you want more of the gel, it calls for more aloe vera as well. So to achieve that smooth aloe vera that's very easy to apply, I'll just transfer it into my blender, then cover and allow it to blend. I'll be blending it from low speed to high speed till all the whole clumps become very smooth. Alright guys, after blending, I'll be transferring the gel into this container while we strain it through this sieve. This particular step needs lots of patience because it will take little time to actually drain out from the sieve. Why that drain? Let me tell us what this gel can actually be used for. It can be used on the skin to prevent sunburn. It can help to eliminate dry skin cells. It can also be used to moisturize dry skin. It helps to strengthen tooth gums, stimulate hair growth, and also help to prevent pimples. There are other benefits of aloe vera gel. This is just to mention a few. You can choose to make proper research depending on what you actually want to use your aloe vera gel for. Okay guys, our aloe vera gel is pretty much ready. You can actually preserve it in the freezer, then defrost it whenever you want to use it. Okay, this video is becoming a little bit lengthy, so you can watch out for my next video where I'll be sharing how to make aloe vera oil. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. See you next time in my next video. Bye bye.